Getting healthier is often treated as a privilege reserved for people with money to spare. Expensive gym memberships, personal trainers, organic groceries, and wellness subscriptions all carry a price tag that puts them out of reach for many. But health and wealth actually follow similar principles. Neither requires a large starting sum, only intention, consistency, and smart use of what's already available. This guide breaks down practical, low-cost and no-cost strategies across exercise, nutrition, sleep, stress, and habit building, so you can start improving your health today, regardless of your budget. Many people believe that better health requires a big budget, a gym membership, a nutritionist, expensive supplements, or a complete lifestyle overhaul. In reality, the opposite is often true. Some of the most effective health improvements cost little to nothing, and the discipline required to manage money wisely mirrors the discipline required to build healthy habits. This guide explores how you can start small, spend little, and still make real progress toward a healthier life. The biggest barrier to getting healthier is rarely capital, it's consistency. Before spending a single dollar, define what healthier means to you. More energy, better sleep, weight management, reduced stress, or improved fitness. A clear goal costs nothing but saves you from wasting money on things that don't actually serve your purpose. Write down 1 or 2 specific, measurable goals, such as walk 20 minutes daily or cook at home 5 nights a week. These small, low-cost commitments create momentum that expensive programs often fail to deliver, because motivation sustained by habit outlasts motivation sustained by a purchase. Exercise is one of the most misunderstood expenses. You don't need a gym membership to get fit. Bodyweight exercises, squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, require zero equipment and can be done in a living room. Walking, jogging, or cycling outdoors costs nothing beyond a pair of shoes you likely already own. Free workout videos on platforms like YouTube offer structured routines for every fitness level, from beginner yoga to high-intensity interval training. If you want structure without cost, apps with free tiers can track progress and provide guided plans. The key is starting with whatever movement is accessible today, then gradually increasing intensity or duration as your fitness improves, not waiting until you can afford a proper setup. Healthy eating on a low budget is entirely possible if you shift from convenience foods to whole foods. Staples like rice, beans, oats, eggs, seasonal vegetables, and frozen produce are inexpensive, nutrient-dense, and long-lasting. Cooking at home instead of ordering out is one of the single biggest money and health wins available, since restaurant and packaged meals tend to be both more expensive and less nutritious. Buying in bulk, planning meals for the week, and reducing food waste stretch a small grocery budget further. Drinking water instead of sugary drinks is a free change that improves health and cuts costs simultaneously. None of this requires a big food budget. It requires planning and a willingness to cook simple meals consistently. 2 of the most powerful health levers, sleep and stress reduction, are completely free. Setting a consistent sleep schedule, limiting screen time before bed, and creating a dark, quiet sleeping environment can dramatically improve rest quality without spending anything. Simple stress reduction techniques such as deep breathing, short meditation sessions, journaling, or time spent outdoors are backed by strong evidence and require no equipment or subscriptions. Free meditation apps with basic tiers, or even a 5-minute breathing exercise found online, can meaningfully lower stress levels over time. Think of health the way you think of building capital from a small starting point. Small, consistent contributions compound over time. Trying to change everything at once, diet, exercise, sleep, and stress, usually leads to burnout and abandonment, much like an investor who takes on too much risk too quickly. Instead, pick one habit to build for 2 to 4 weeks before adding another. Walk daily before adding strength training. Improve breakfast before overhauling every meal. This gradual approach costs nothing extra but dramatically increases the odds that changes stick long-term, which is where the real return lies. Many communities offer free or low-cost health resources that go underused: public parks and walking trails, community sports leagues, free health screenings at local clinics, library resources on nutrition and fitness, and social media or community fitness groups that offer accountability without membership fees. Seeking out these resources costs only a little time and research, and they often provide both structure and social support, a factor closely linked to long-term success in health habits. While fitness trackers and smartwatches can be motivating, they are not required to see progress. A simple notebook or a free phone app can log workouts, meals, sleep, and mood. Tracking even basic metrics, steps taken, water consumed, hours slept, creates accountability and lets you notice patterns without any financial investment. If you already own a smartphone, built-in health apps often provide more than enough functionality to start. Just as a small business reinvests early profits to grow sustainably, you can reinvest early wins in your health journey into slightly larger commitments once habits are established. After a few months of consistent free workouts, you might choose to invest in a quality pair of running shoes or a set of resistance bands. After building a habit of home cooking, you might invest in a few durable kitchen tools that make meal prep easier. The principle is the same. Let consistency and proven habits justify the spending, rather than spending upfront in hopes that it will create the habit. Becoming healthier doesn't require significant capital. It requires intention, consistency, and a willingness to use what's already available to you. Movement, nutrition, sleep, and stress management are all areas where meaningful improvement is possible at little to no cost. Start small, track your progress, build one habit at a time, and let your growing consistency, not your wallet, be the foundation of a healthier life. Over time, these low-cost habits often produce results that rival or exceed those achieved through expensive programs, because what matters most in health, as in finance, is not how much you start with, but how consistently you invest.